Good morning, student. Now, today we are going to learn and write in English. 4-line notebook, missing letter. Okay. So, write down on the top, missing letter A to Z. Now, in corner you have to write down today's day. Now, here, like this you have to write down. आप पेरेंट्स जो है वो write down करके देंगे आपको पेज के ऊपर. आपको सिर्फ missing letter करना है. Okay. Now, here, capital A. This is small a. Okay. After A, which letter will become? Letter B. Then write down both letter, capital B, small b. Like this you have to write down. After B, letter C, capital C, small c. After C, which letter will become? Letter D. So write down capital D, small d. Both letter you have to write down. आपको दोनों letters write down करने हैं. Which letter is this? Capital E, small e. Sound of E is A. Okay. After E, which letter will become? Letter F. So write down first capital F. Write down small f. Okay. After F, letter G. Capital G, small g. After G, which letter will come? H. Capital H, small h. After H, letter I. Capital I, small I. After I, which letter will become? Letter J. So write down first letter J. Capital J, small j. Sound of J is J. Okay. After J, which letter will come? Letter K. So this is capital K, small k. Now, after K, letter L. Capital L, small l. Okay. After L, M. Capital M, small m. After M, which letter will become? Letter N. Capital N, small n. Okay. Now, after N, O. Write down here capital O, then small o. After O, which letter will become? Letter P. Already here wrote letter P, capital and small, both the letter wrote here. After letter P, which letter will become? Letter Q. Write down Q. Then write down small q. Okay. Then capital R, small r. After R, capital S, small s. After S, which letter will become? Letter T. Write down capital T, small t. Okay. Then letter U. Write down capital U. Then write down small u. Okay. After U, letter V. Capital V, small v. After V, which letter will become? Letter W. Then write down capital W and small w. After W, which letter come? Letter X. Capital X, small x. After X, Y. So this is capital Y, small y. After Y, which letter come? Letter Z. So write down capital Z, small z. Like this you have to write down. Now on next page, write on the top, write missing capital letters. Okay. So here only we have to write down capital letters. Capital A. After A, which letter come? Capital B. After B, capital C. After C, which letter come? Capital D. After D, E. After E, F. Write down F. After F, this is G. After G, which letter come? Letter H. After H, which letter come? Letter I. After I, letter J. After J, which letter come? letter K. Okay, letter K. But here wrote letter V. यहाँ पर letter V लिखा हुआ है, तो उसके पहले कौन सा लेटर आएगा? letter U. Write down letter U. U V W. After W, letter X. After X, Y. Okay. Now here letter Q is. Before letter Q, which letter come? Letter Q के पहले कौन सा letter आता है? Letter P. Then write down here P. After P, Q, R, S. After S, write down here letter T. Now here letter D. Okay, यहाँ पर कौन सा letter है? Letter D है. D के बाद में कौन सा letter आता है? Letter E. Now write down here capital E. After E, here letter F. After F, G. G after which letter come? Letter H. Write down letter H. Now here letter J. Okay. After letter J, which letter come? Write down capital K. After K, L. L after which letter come? Letter M. And M after letter N. Okay, like this you have to write down. Now turn the page. Now here fill in the missing letters. Now here are all small letter. कौन से letter है ये? Small letter है. हमें A से लेके Z तक small letter missing write down करने हैं. Okay. So first letter is small A. Small B. After B, write down here small C. After C, which letter come? Letter D. Write down small D. After D, letter E. E after which letter come? Letter F. Then F after, write down letter G. G after H. H after I. I after J. J after, write down letter K. K after letter L. L after which letter come? Letter M. M after letter N. N after O. Then write down letter O. O after P. P after, write down letter Q. These all are small letters. Okay. Now Q after letter R. R after letter S. S after letter T. T after which letter come? Letter U. U after letter V. V after letter W. W after letter X. X after which letter come? Letter Y. So write down small y. And last one letter Z. Okay student, so you have to write down 3 pages. On first page you have to write down capital and small letter both missing A to Z. Okay, and second number page write missing capital letters. And on third page you have to write down here small letter A to Z. You have to complete 3 pages and click the photo and send on the group. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye student.